Want to know how some stores are making $10,000 profit per month, in some cases $100,000 or even millions of dollars a month just by focusing on a single group of buyers? Niching down is the secret sauce. Stick around because I'll show you how targeting the right people at the right time can explode your print-on-demand sales. Imagine a few simple designs could make you $5,000 in profit in the next week. Today I'm breaking down the strategy of niching and timing and how leveraging both will have your print-on-demand sales skyrocket. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ronnie McKenzie and I help aspiring entrepreneurs build a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business. You're about to learn why niching isn't just a nice to have, but a game changer when it comes to your side hustle. Why is niching a game changer? You hear it everywhere. So why does everyone keep talking about niching? In the world of print on demand, it's all about targeted marketing. When you focus on a specific niche, you're creating products that speak directly to a certain group of people. It makes your ads and your designs that much more powerful. Instead of trying to create a generic design that appeals to no one, you're creating from a place of passion. Say it's a golfing niche. If you target golfers, you know the research you need to do, the things that light the golfers up and make them passionate about the sport that they enjoy. And that goes for all sorts of niches, from hobbies and interests to professions and sport. For example, imagine targeting dog lovers who are mad about a specific breed. You create products like t-shirts and mugs with cute designs and sayings for golden retriever owners, and suddenly you have a product that dog lovers can't resist. That's the power of niching down. By understanding their passions, you'll not only grab their attention, but you'll be able to grow a loyal customer fan base. And that means they come back again and again, meaning you make more money. And here's the kicker. Few people when starting do it, while everyone else is competing to sell generic jewelry or motivational shirts and artwork alone. You're building a brand that feels personal to your customer, which means less competition and a higher chance of winning the sale. This niching and timing concept is exactly what I teach my students inside the PodHacks Accelerator. It's my coaching program for print on demand to help you start, grow, and scale your print on demand business to the $5,000 to $10,000 plus months and beyond. If that's something that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit the first link in the description below, watch the free training, and book a call with my team and I. I'll see you over there. Now, timing is everything when it comes to niching. Timing is another huge factor in boosting your print-on-demand sales. Think about this. People spend billions of dollars on holidays like Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Mother's Day, and they're always on the lookout for that perfect, thoughtful gift. When you create products specifically for these occasions, you're not only giving people what they want, but you're also giving them the reason to buy right now. That's where the magic happens. Imagine you've got a dog-themed print-on-demand store. Now add a holiday twist to your best-selling design. Christmas ornaments, holiday-themed dog apparel, or mugs that say, "All I want for Christmas is my golden retriever." Those specific holiday products are like gift magnets for dog lovers who are looking for that perfect present. Or take Valentine's Day, where couples are looking for that cute, thoughtful present for each other. Oversized matching hoodies for couples can be a huge hit if marketed in just the right way. And yes, people will pay a premium for products if they think it perfectly matches their relationship. Now, how do you spot and capitalize on these trends? You need to ride the wave of trending design. It's not just about the holidays. Keeping an eye on those design trends can be your ticket to big profits too. For example, maybe there's a viral saying that's perfect for your niche. Remember the Hawk Tour girl? If you're quick enough, you can be one of the first that can jump onto that design trend, get it on a shirt or a mug, and make tens of thousands of dollars. And guess what? People love being a part of the latest trends, especially if it reflects their identity or makes them feel like they're in the know. You might see something trending on TikTok or Instagram that directly relates to your niche. Maybe a new phrase or aesthetic is taking off. Create a design around it, promote it while it's hot, and watch the money roll in. And just like that, you're making money in the peak of that trend. Of course, not every trend is worth chasing. For example, the polar bear plunge day or naked work day. They just might not make sense. Timing your product releases around holidays and trends is how you stack the odds of success in your favor and force people to buy now. It creates urgency and makes people hit that add to cart button. And by staying on top of trends, you can be the first to market a new hot product. So let's recap. Niching down helps you to connect deeply with your audience and cut through the competition. Timing your products around holidays and trends creates urgency and gets people to buy it now. And by staying on top of trends, you can be the one selling the latest, hottest product. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because all my content on this channel is designed to help you make more money in less time. And remember, if you want to learn the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 $10,000 per month print-on-demand business, make sure you check out the Ponx Accelerator, which is the first link in the description below. Stay awesome.